As you look out over the next 6 months, and I know we showed what your expectations were for doses, how do you really want it to be distributed? I know you said if you get COVID, you should ask your doctor if you get access to it, but there's going to be a big debate about who's supposed to get it and who's supposed to get it first, given the number of cases that we're seeing and given that you want to take it early, actually.
Yeah.
So you don't really, frankly, want to take it on the late side. There's a big debate even over the weekend. Ben Carson, God bless him, is now better. But, he came out and said that he was given experimental cocktails. And people said, look, he's now going to be considered a special case if somebody's wealthy and they can somehow get access to this. What's your prescription for how this should work?
Yeah, I think this is a very important moment, and we've really got to do it right. So let's just start with some facts. Let's start with what's our supply situation. The governor initially contracted for 300,000 doses. We've got about 80,000 on hand ready to go, and we'll have that full 300,000 by sometime in early January, we expect. Thereafter, we expect to be able to deliver about 100,000 doses every month. Now, we're also looking at cutting the dose in half. Those experiments are actually ongoing, and that would double if we were successful at that. And that would get to 200,000 a month. Plus, we have a great partnership with Roche, and they've already been doing the technology transfer from Regeneron to Roche. They know how to make this stuff. They're very sophisticated, and they'll be making this stuff, I think, ready for use in the first quarter. So we hope to have millions of doses available. Now, still, that might not be enough. Look, I'm hopeful that the vaccines, we've seen nice vaccine data from 3 different vaccine makers now, and I'm hopeful that that will really bring down the number of cases, and that those people that still get it because they didn't either respond to the vaccine or they didn't access the vaccine or didn't want the vaccine, that there'll be this monoclonal cocktail of ours available for treatment. But we still have to make sure that this is done in a fair way. I can tell you, even before approval, we had a compassionate use program, and it had nothing to do with who you were in society, so to speak, or whether you're rich or what have you. We did it on a principled basis. And I think that that's how it has to be done, on a principled basis. And I think that there are sophisticated people in medical ethics and in health departments who can direct it to the people who need it the most and who will benefit from the most. We can't have it a black market for rich people or something like that. This has got to go to where it needs to go, to people who will best benefit from it.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.